Welcome back everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to make this red and white coaster. It's super easy to make, it's beginner friendly, and it makes a great decor for Baba Marta. So for this project you're going to need some yarn. I will be using red and white acrylic yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. You might also want to have a crochet needle to hide the backs, or alternatively you can use a smaller crochet hook. Links to all materials is listed in the description below. Let's begin by making a slip knot followed by chain 3. Then we'll make 10 half double crochets inside the first chain. I'll show that one a little bit slower and then I'll speed up this video. Feel free to pause anytime you need to, and then I'll meet you after you make the 10 double crochets. Let's make a slip stitch to connect this last half double crochet to the chain 3 that we made in the beginning. Let's begin round 2 by making 2 chains and then a half double crochet in the same stitch as the 2 chains. From here we'll make 2 half double crochets in each stitch. Make a slip stitch to connect and let's start round 3. 2 chains and then a half double crochet into the same stitch as the 2 chains. From there we'll make a 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, so that's the first stitch. And then from there on we're going to keep doing 2 half double crochets followed by 1 half double crochets. Let's keep going around the ring and I'll meet you when we finish with this round. Alright, let's connect this as well with a slip stitch, and then we'll begin round 5. We are also going to begin this round by making chain 2 and then a half double crochet into the same stitch. Then we'll make 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Let's keep repeating that pattern of 2 half double crochets into 1 stitch followed by 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches all the way around the circle, and I'll meet you at the end to connect with a slip stitch. Alright, so we've made the last slip stitch in order to connect the last round, and this is our coaster. The only thing that is left is just to cut off the yarn and then hide that tail end in the back, and you can do that by using a crochet needle or a smaller hook that can go through the stitches easily. Do the same thing with the tail end that is in the middle. And we have completed our coaster. I love the look of this on my table in March when I try to decorate with lots of red and white. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video to support it. See you next time.